Chef Bartlett in the house. Today we have a modern take on the conventional household slider. It's a standard cheeseburger. As with most of my creations, this is a little bit decadent. I like to put all sorts of flavors in my burgers. I hate the messy element of eating a cheeseburger. If I have a slider, it's kind of on the go. I just want to eat it. I don't want it running down my arm. So what I do is I infuse the slider. So rather than having, bacon, onion, lettuce, ketchup, all the stuff, everything that makes it have the flavors that you want, I put it inside the burger when I make the slider. So here we have blue cheese, a bit of jalapeno, some crumbled bacon, which came from the air fryer. I'll show you all how to do that. And I believe that's it. So I put it inside the burger. Let me show you. And this has nothing. I didn't put Worcester on it. I did absolutely nothing. What these little toppings are going to do is bring out the flavor and keep it from being dry. So you're gonna wrap around it like so. So not the healthiest of options, but if you're gonna go all out, I say go all out. I like to make the Hawaiian sweetbread slider rolls into garlic bread. So I've pre-melted my butter and put some garlic together, and I just do like so. And then you just bake it for a few minutes, and it's absolutely delicious. Just make sure you run or get your cardio before or after, it doesn't matter. And that's my take on the conventional household slider. Chef Bartlett here. We are making household conventional sliders with a twist. They are infused. We're gonna go in the wrought iron skillet. I've got it pretty hot right now, about medium high. I'm gonna do my oil. Y'all know what's next. You want that sizzle me timber? We got it. We got it. We got it. Oh God, we got it. All right, we're gonna let these go for about 5 minutes per side. They'll cook down, and then there's a special treat at the end. And we got our garlic bread sliders. Oh! They'll go in the oven at the end. Or perhaps the air fryer. We'll see, it might get spicy around here. Chef Bartlett in the house with my tones. We're just gonna flip these, y'all. All right. Might be a little charred for y'all's taste. I like that texture, so I make no apologies. Give this about 5 minutes aside, and then we're gonna enclose it and lower the heat. Next will be these guys.
Oh, wait.
That is hot. We're about to put these guys in the air fryer at 350 for 3 minutes. Cover. Let that sit and fester. All right, guys, I love the air fryer. You can air fry anything. This one in particular has a bake function. It's got everything. I could go to toast bake. I just love the way the air fryer setting works. There are no rules when it comes to culinary. We are creating this from the ground up. So I just let it go for about 3 to 4 minutes on about 350 to 375. No! Chef Bartlett in the house, y'all. We have completed the household slider. Side note, you put whatever you want in these sliders. The point is to not make a mess when you eat it so you can get it on the go. I chose blue cheese crumbles, bacon, onion, and garlic. But put whatever you want in there. This, you know, the beauty of cooking is that there are no rules. Have fun with it. These are your sliders and yours alone. Unless you're making them for family, maybe ask them what they want. Again, I've made garlic bread out of my bun. Here we construct, boom, boom, press. There we have it. Oh my God. Please make these. All right, guys, Chef Bartlett in the house. That's a wrap. I hope you dug this burger recipe, this slider recipe. Please like and subscribe to this page. And don't forget to keep rock alive.